Welcome to Insightful Value, where we cut through the noise to spotlight companies whose stock prices might be down, but whose stories are definitely worth your attention. Today, we're diving into Kronos Worldwide, a company whose shares have been trading at lower levels recently, potentially raising eyebrows for investors looking for value. Remember, this review is purely informational and educational and is not financial advice. If you like this kind of analysis, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Kronos Worldwide is a leading producer of titanium dioxide, a critical white pigment used across industries such as paints, coatings, plastics, paper, and cosmetics. Their products are essential for adding brightness and durability, making Kronos a key supplier in global manufacturing and consumer goods sectors. With operations spanning North America, Europe, and Asia, Kronos maintains a strategic position in a niche but vital market. In recent financial reports, Kronos Worldwide has posted revenues that reflect moderate growth, but have faced pressures from raw material costs and supply chain challenges. Operating margins have been somewhat squeezed, but still remain in the low double digits, which is respectable given the market environment. Net income has been variable, impacted by fluctuating demand and commodity price shifts. Despite these headwinds, Kronos has managed to sustain positive cash flow, which supports ongoing investments in production efficiency and environmental compliance. From a shareholder's perspective, dividends have seen some fluctuations, but generally maintain a pattern of modest payouts. The dividend yield has attracted income-focused investors, although it is not a high-yield stock. The company's balance sheet shows manageable debt levels, though the cyclical nature of titanium dioxide demand means earnings can be volatile. Investing in Kronos Worldwide carries risks typical of the chemical manufacturing sector. Demand depends heavily on industrial production cycles and consumer spending trends. Raw material price volatility and regulatory factors, including environmental standards, can impact profitability. Additionally, competition from other producers and potential substitutes is always a consideration. Currency fluctuations also add an element of uncertainty given Kronos's global footprint. So, why might Kronos's currently lower stock price be catching attention? For value investors, this dip could represent a chance to buy into a company with stable core products, steady cash flow, and exposure to essential manufacturing inputs. However, the cyclical nature of the business and external risks mean that potential investors need to weigh timing and risk tolerance carefully. At Insightful Value, we aim to provide clear, jargon-free breakdowns of companies like Kronos Worldwide, giving both newcomers and seasoned investors the tools to make better informed decisions. We analyze the numbers, explain the key drivers, and highlight what makes a company worth a closer look. For more detailed reports on Kronos and other undervalued stocks, visit insightfulvalue.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video if you appreciate simple, actionable insights.